HTC U11 Eyes. Network Technology GSM, HSPA, LTE. Launch announced, 15th of January 2018. Status, upcoming. SIM. Single SIM, nano SIM. Or hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Water and dust tight, IP67 certified. Display type, Super LCD 3 capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Size, 6.0 inches, 92.9 cm2. Resolution, 1080 by 2160 pixels, 18:9 ratio, ×402 pixel density. Multi-touch, yes. Protection, to be confirmed. Platform OS, Android 7.1, Nougat. Chipset, Qualcomm MSM8976 Snapdragon 652. Memory card slot, microSD, up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot, dual SIM model only. Internal RAM, 4 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Camera primary, 12 megapixel, face detection autofocus, dual LED dual tone flash. Features: geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Video 2160p at 30 fps. Secondary 5 megapixel. Sound alert types: vibration, MP3, WAV ringtones. Loudspeaker yes. 3.5mm jack yes. Active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Comms LAN yes. Bluetooth yes. GPS yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS. Radio no. USB Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Features: sensors, fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, proximity, compass. Messaging: SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, push email. Browser: HTML5. vidmp4/h.264/WMV player. mp3/eac+/WMA/WAV/FLAC player. Document editor. Photo, video editor. Battery. Non-removable Li-ion 3930 mAh battery. Colors: black, silver and red. Price: about €420.
Subscribe my channel for more videos.